Okay, this is part 284C3M1b7c8e13c9c6d3p34m2, line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p34m2, Berkovits Superstring field theory 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal and the Berkovits string theory math equations for a UFO spaceship and WOW data. Okay, so we started working on this on January 26, 2013. Today is February 14th. So the keyword is Brunauer-Emmett-Teller to keyword Arrhenius law from previous videos. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p33. Brunauer-Emmett-Teller Raney nickel metals 5G Wow Seti. February 3rd, 2013. The keywords is Newton's law and classical wave equation leads to the keyword wave velocity to pulse wave velocity to velocity of the forward traveling wave. Then we worked on the Berkovits Superstring theory from line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p34m1. Supersymmetric covariant string 5G Wow Seti. Quotes from Wiki. A very different supersymmetric action for the open string was constructed by Nathan Berkovits. It takes the form of this, where all of the products are performed using the anti-commutator and those symbols, and it's a string field that is that and that. The string field is taken to be in the NS sector of the large Hilbert space, including the zero mode of that. It is not known how to incorporate the R sector, although some preliminary ideas exist. The equation of motion take the form of that. The action is invariant under the gauge invariance. The principal advantage of this action is that it is free from any insertion of picture changing operators. It has been shown to reproduce correctly tree level amplitudes and has been found numerically to have attacking vacuum with appropriate energy. Actually, it doesn't go forward. The only known analytic solutions to the classical equations of motion are marginal deformations. Other formulation of covariant open superstring theory. A formulation of superstring field theory using the non-minimal pure spinor variables was introduced by Berkovits. The action is cubic and includes a midpoint insertion whose kernel is trivial. As always, within the pure spinor formulation, the Riemann sector can be easily treated. However, it is not known how to incorporate the GSO sectors into the formalism. It is an attempt to resolve the allegedly problematic and midpoint insertion of the modified cubic theory. Berkovits and Siegel proposed a superstring field theory based on a non-minimal extension of the Arrhenius string, which uses a midpoint insertion with no kernel. It is not clear if such insertions are in any way better than midpoint insertions with non-trivial kernels. The keyword covariant closed string field theory will be in the next video. Thank you for watching.